Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to move contact to the SIM card on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, moving contacts to the SIM card allows you to free up space on your device and store a larger number of contacts on the SIM card instead. Well, here are the steps. First, you have to go to the contact application on your device. Well, after that, click the three line at the top left corner, and then click Manage Contacts here. Okay, after that, select Move Contact, and here you can select from where will you move your contacts to the SIM card. Okay, next, select a contact, or you can select all by pressing this option, and then click Done. So now select the SIM card here, and click OK. So lastly, click Move at the bottom here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to move a contact to the SIM card on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.